morning, Year 2. Today we are on lesson 8 of our money chapter, and today we are going to work out the total amount of something. Okay, so we have a problem here, and it's on page 33 of your textbook, and it looks like this. There should be a sandwich there and a toy truck. Okay, the question is, what is the total cost of the sandwich and the toy? So I just want you to take a second to think about what calculation we need to do to work out the total cost of something. So do we add? Do we subtract? Do we multiply? Or do we divide? And there is a really important word in that question that gives us a clue, and the word is total. So what is the total cost of the sandwich and the toy? If you said that we add the numbers together, you would be correct. So here, we've not done these yet, so I'm not going to worry too much about it. I'm just going to introduce you to it. This is called a bar model, and sometimes this helps us to figure out what calculation we need to do. So we have a blue bar here and a purple bar here. One of the bars represents £3, which is how much the sandwich is. And one of the bars represents £9, which is how much the toy is. Which bar do you think represents £3? Do you think blue or do you think purple? If you said blue, you would be correct. And can you tell your adult why you think it was, how you knew it was the blue bar? And if you said because £3 a smaller number and this blue bar is smaller, you would be correct. So that must mean the purple bar is the toy truck. So here we have the sandwich, which is £3, and we have the toy, which is £9. But what I want to know is what the total cost is. And as you can see, I have put these two bars next to each other. This little question mark is what the total value of the two bars, the two amounts of money together would be. So it's like we have to add this blue bar and the purple bar to make this one long bar. We have to add the £3 and the £9 to work out the total cost. So you might want to pause the video and spend a few seconds working this one out. This was a nice straightforward one to start with. Okay, so let's work it out. We've got 9 in our head. Add on 3. It is £12. So if you said that the total cost of the sandwich and the toy is £12, you would be correct. We added 3 and 9. 3 add 9 equals 12. Or we could say 9 add 3 equals 12. Doesn't matter which way we do it, we would always get the same answer. Okay, this time, how do I get rid of that? This time, we have got Hannah. And Hannah saved 40p on Monday. I've been kind here and I've labelled the parts of the bar for you. So she saved 40p on Monday. She saved 15p on Tuesday. And she saved 30p on Wednesday. How much in total does Hannah save? Oh, not how much in total altogether. We've got to read the question carefully. Okay, there's one in your workbook that's similar to this, so you need to read it really carefully. How much in total does Hannah save on Monday and Tuesday? So only, let's look back at the facts of the question, only Monday and Tuesday. So here we've got the orange part of the bar, which represents the 40p she saved on Monday, and the yellow bar, which represents the 15p she saved on Tuesday. We need to work out how much she saved altogether on these 2 days. So it's this part of the bar and this one all together. So who can tell me in number sentence that we would need to do to work this out. So it might be something, take away something, something, add something. Okay, if you want to tell your adult, if you said 40p add 15p, you would be correct. 40p add 15p. Okay, now we might want to pause the video and spend some time working this out. You need to draw tens and ones. That's absolutely fine. Remembering we add our ones first, and then we add our tens. I'll give you a second before I reveal the answer. Right, if you said 55p, give yourself a round of applause. Okay? So Hannah on Monday and Tuesday saved 55p altogether because 40 add 15 equals 55. So I don't think we need these here because we know that the 40 and the 15 equal 55. So these two together are now 55p. How much now then does she save across all 3 days? So we've worked out Monday and Tuesday together, but how about Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday? Okay, do I need to do 40, add 15, add 30? Or is there something else I could do? If you said we could do 55, add 30p, you would be correct. We've already added Monday and Tuesday together. We don't need to do it again. Okay, but we can add the total of Monday and Tuesday to how much she saved on Wednesday. So it would be 55p, add 30p. So you might want to pause the video and work that out. And let's see if you get the answer correct. If you said that Hannah saved 85p altogether, you would be correct. Well done. So the total that Hannah saved across all of them 3 days was 85p. Well done. Okay, this time I've given you a different problem. It says, Miss Barnett went to the shop and bought a pen, which cost £1, a ruler, which cost £1, a rubber, which cost 30p, and a sharpener, which cost 40p. How much did she spend all together? All together on all those 4 items, what do we need to do? That's right, we need to add them all together, but this time I've got a mixture of pounds and pence. Thinking about what we do when we count money, what should I count up first? That's right, I need to count up the pounds first. So how many pounds did Miss Barnett spend? £1 there, £1 there, equals easy peasy £2. Okay, and then we count the pence. 30p add 40p. Well, if you know that 3 add 4 equals 7, you should know that 30 add 40 equals 70. Well done. So altogether, Miss Barnett spent £2.70. Okay. Right, your guided practice. We have got some items. We have got a sweet, which got a label attached to it, 45p, and a stamp thing for 39p. How much did they cost all together? If you need to draw tens and ones, you may do that. And then, how much did the 2 burgers cost? Oh, we've got pounds. And how much did the 2 sweets cost? Then your workbook is page 33 to 34. And same again, you are calculating the total amount, but you need to be really careful when you are reading the questions. What is the total cost of a pencil and a notebook? What is the total cost of a folder and a storybook? What is the total cost of a notebook and a storybook? So remember, counting the pounds first, then the pence. What is the total cost of all 4 items? And then Hannah wants to buy 3 pencils. how much does she need to pay? So 3 of them pencils, and they each cost 12p. And then some more problems on the second page. Okay, please let me know how you get on and send photos onto your portfolios. Okay, well done, Year 2.